Hello everyone, today I will show you how to edit page numbering in a PDF file using PDF-XChange Editor. This is my PDF file and I will edit this page numbering. Click on this organize option and select here header and footer option. Now select manage option and here you will find this edit option. And this page number showing this box. Now I will edit this page numbering. Click this arrow and say edit page numbering style. You can select this number of pen or first one and this first page increment 1. Select OK. And remove this first one. Again I remove and edit number, select this 1. Now select OK and see this and page range. I'll execute this page number first page. Now select OK and finally select OK. Close and see this first number page number not showing and showing for second page numbering. And see this in this you can edit your page numbering. Yeah, and finally save this file option, save or save as in PDF file. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comments.